What up? It's TNT, the brother. Alright, now. Excuse me. Red. Thank you. I'm gonna name myself stupid. Ha ha ha. Alright, let's go to that Roblox game. Where the memes comes. Hey you! What are you doing here?
Oh,
Bro, the risk. How did I just die? I should never look back.
So, okay, I was a kid.
Listen to the KSI song for 1 hour. To the
Okay, I'm
Run away from them.
to the screen, to the ring, to the bend, to the king. My crown is my balloon.
I'm so sorry.
The red people, I do not go after.
To the screen, to the ring. Probably I clicked the wrong button.
They wreck people. Oh yeah, they wreck people videos because they cuss. And if you're trying to make a friendly video and they cuss and your video is over, you gotta restart it.
Nah.
Oh no, the Rizzler.
Go away, go away, go away, go
The
away,
Rizzler. The
Sorry,
Rizzler.
I got blessed.
The Rizzler. I can't swim.
I have a Mercedes. Mercedes. No.
Hey, I tried to. Rod, I didn't mute anybody. I didn't have to mute myself, bro. Whose name is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12? Whose name is 12? Whose name is 9, 11?
Whoa.
7, 11.
What was that?
Oh my god. Did
What
somebody...
was that for?
Monkeys, come here! Monkeys! Monkeys!
A monster.
Oh no! He got rizzed up.
Okay.
No.
We
Now
should
that was
probably
brain rot.
run. We should probably run. There's no tiny.
He ran away because I was mewing. How did he run away because I was mewing? Hey, I'm mew again.
How does slow?
Oh, I had to mew on the water.
No. Jesus.
That didn't work out when I was mewing. Hey, monkey buds.
No, it's not
Monkey
happening.
buds! Monkey buds! He's coming.
Yeah. How the
That just scared me.
He's a nerd.
That just scared the heck out of me. Raise your hand if you like the nerd goofy ass song. Raise your hand.
Guys,
I would do that too.
Oh my god. Raise your hand. Raise your hand.
no.
I was not paying attention.
Guys,
I was not paying
go
attention.
fast. What the hell?
I was not paying attention.
Go. Yeah. Yellow.
No, I missed.
10
Go follow someone else. Bye.
No.
Is this how the
Hey,
Guys, don't fall down this pool.
Stop what you're
Don't fall
doing.
down this pool.
I will hit you with my band hammer.
Not again.
Super Monkey is gonna save the day.
No.
Ba-bum, ba-dum, 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 ba-dum. Hey, stay away from it. Bro, it's Peter Parker. Spider-Man is gonna save the day. Bro, did I just hit my head? Hey, get out of the way.
If I want a... Oh, that was pretty good.
What the hell?
What the nerd? Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't want to be jump scared. I don't want to be jump scared. I don't want to be jump scared. Oh my god, the Goofy Rizzler. Goofy Rizzler. The Riz.
I am the pro user of the water.
The mule. I counts to 20. I counts to 10.
Okay, so that didn't work.
The Goofy off.
Bro, why would you do that to me?
Super Monkey is gonna save the day.
Why?
Super Monkey is gonna save the day.
Hunter keeps opening. Hunter keeps opening my
I'm
door.
with you.
Yes, you are.
Oh,
Who wants Super Monkey?
I don't know.
Who want to be the Marvels?
Right now.
I'm not.
He will be the Marvels.
Bro.
You will be the Marvels. Who are you then?
No.
Yeah.
Who want to be the Marvels then?
Bob Pew Pew. Me, I guess. Fine.
I already. That's how you like and subscribe. Like and subscribe to the channel of you like subscribe. Oh my god. Bro, I think he made a channel. I think he made a channel.
Oh, hell yeah.
Yeah.
What's coming? Look behind.
Oh my god.
Where's
There's the Mercadis.
Where's
Where's the Mercadis go?
Time to jump off the cliff. Bro, don't go in the water.
Hey Mercadis.
Super Monkey is gonna save today.
Coming.
Oh no.
No.
Oh no.
Oh shit.
Here comes your death wish. That is scared the Sigma out of me. That just scared out of me. Hey, let me hit you in the head. You baseball bat.
Oh, you scare me. They're pushing me. Should I hear cussing?
He can hear us. Shh, he can hear us. Hi.
Run! Who's coming?
Huh?
No shit. Holy shit, my
Super Monkey is gonna save the day. Super actually Peter Parker. Hey, you let me use my ban hammer so I can ban this person. I'm gonna use my ban hammer.
Is that orange right there? Look, see?
Take my ban hammer. Use my ban hammer.
I'm doing the rest of it.
Deserve to die.
Leave me alone, Matthew.
Deserve to die.
No,
Deserve to not die. That's kind of sussy.
Don't go over there. Which one's over there? Stop.
Whoa. Bro, that's signal. That is so signal.
I'm getting rich.
You're so fan of Outsmart him. Outsmart him. Outsmart him.
Oh my god.
Bro, stop following me. Don't follow me. Don't follow me. Don't follow me wherever I... Are you kidding me? You followed me?
Oh.
Time for the super monkey. Super monkey attack. Super monkey got a ban hammer. I gotta eat you. Dang, how did I? Whose name is that?
Why me?
Actually, guys, I'm gonna really play the game, so bye. Oh, am I a box head? Nobody even here? That's mean. Okay, I'm back. Who am I? I'm gonna check in the mirror. Well, like and subscribe because this is gonna make me mad. For real.